It's that time again. It's time to sharpen the Christmas turkey knife. So, it's done. A lot sharper than it was. Alternatively, get one of these. Much quicker. Run it through that a couple of times. Yeah, much better. If you want to do it quickly and efficiently, get one of them. As long as your knife isn't too dull, like you've been hacking at a lump of metal with it, then this will be fine. Anything in your kitchen that you've used and you've cut vegetables, you've cut meat, maybe some bone, this will do the job rather than the big expensive other thing, which is, you know, not really necessarily for this. Your knives will last for years and years and years if you buy this, because they'll never get dull. Sharpen them every week or every month, whatever suits you, but makes your life a hell of a lot easier. Thanks for the view. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas and goodbye.